How to host your property on Airbnb. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go through the steps on how you can host your property on Airbnb. Well, I've already made a video on it, but I'm going to be doing it so again here. However, here this time you can see I'm on airbnb.com and you can see it is asking me to switch to hosting. However, if you haven't yet created your hosting, you'll get the option to create a hosting here. You'll have to click on it and it'll ask you to select your particular listing that you want to list. For example, you want to select your certain properties, that is home or apartments. Well, click on create a new listing and you'll get an interface somewhat like this if you have first time switching or creating an host account. Then what will you like to host? As you can see, home experience and service. You want to select home here, click on next and go through the prompts. It'll ask you to select your. Now you can see it is asking me to finish my listing. Now you can either create a listing or create from an existing. I'll just select complete my previous listing. Now what this does is it'll ask you what it has to offer. So as you can see here back, make your place stand out, what services you have, how many rooms you have, where is it located, all that you'll have to include it here and go to the prompts, enter in, and then add in some pictures of the location, proper photos, and then you'll be able to create your listing. So this is how you can easily create a listing or host your property on Airbnb. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.